take a look back and see how much we accomplished, and then give a sneak peek of what's to come in 2025.
This is our food room.
Our most viewed makeover of 2024 was our kitchen. I'll link the whole playlist above. This makeover was epic because it was a huge transformation for only $1,000. Now, as all good things do, it took a lot of hard work and a lot of time. We worked on it off and on for 3 years, removing layers and layers of wallpaper and metal tiles, and really focused on completing it this spring. We love how it turned out. It's bright, clean, and we were able to keep a lot of the vintage charm, but this is not a long-term solution because the fridge and microwave don't fit in this room, and neither does the dishwasher. Plus, some of the cabinets are still broken.
Super bright.
That's it though. Our next makeover is related to the kitchen, and that's the butler's pantry. We already did a quick makeover of this space. We removed a lot of shelving and a built-in hutch that was too bulky for the space. We also moved the fridge that was stored in here out into another room. We were able to give the pantry another upgrade when we did the kitchen floors. This is a great space to keep our appliances and drink station. personal favorite makeover was our friend's laundry room. Our friends were going through a really difficult year. The husband had a rare cancer and he passed away. We were honored to give a quick revamp to their laundry room, a space they'd both been talking about upgrading for a while. I had joked with Rob to let me paint our laundry room pink and he had said no, so I had a lot of fun painting this one pink. Our last makeover of 2024 is a friends and family favorite because it's where we host, our living room. We also did a first pass of this space back when we first moved in. Rob rewired the sconces, which required him to make holes in the walls and then repair the walls. Then we repainted everything. A few months ago, we did a few more updates. Rob added wiring for ceiling lights, I limewashed the fireplace brick, and we added a sofa from Article. All of these things really brightened up the space, and I had fun adding some seasonal touches for fall and Christmas. Stay tuned for 2025. We have 2 projects we're hoping to wrap up, Sayla's bedroom and the 3rd floor bath, and 1 new project to tackle, the foyer. You won't want to miss these makeovers, so make sure you're subscribed. Let us know what your favorite room makeover was in the comments below. We hope you have a wonderful Christmas season with your family celebrating Christ's birth. We'll see you in the new year. Bye!